so fair. I stood in old Jerusalem beside the temple there. I heard the children singing and ever as the song. Methought the voice of angels from heaven in answer. Methought the voice of angels from heaven in answer. Jerusalem, Jerusalem, lift up your voice and sing. Hosanna in the highest. Hosanna to you, King. And then methought my dream was changed, thy streets no longer wrong. The sun grew dark with misery, the night was cold and chill. As were the glad hosannas, the little children sang. A shadow of a cross arose upon a lonely hill. A shadow of a cross arose upon a lonely hill.